Alright, so now in this video we're going to create our followers, put them in the box, mate them with the cam so that when the cam rotates the followers move up and down based on the type of cam that we've got. Alright, so I'm already in my Automata folder, so I'm going to create, document, and call this the follower. And this will be the simplest one we've done so far. So I'm going to click on Sketch, I'm going to click on Top, click on my circle, drag it out, then I want this to be 0.25 inches. All right. Now I want to extrude, and I'm going to extrude this 4 inches. All right, now I want to rotate this around so I can see the bottom, and I want to do a fillet on the bottom. So I'm going to click on fillet. I want it to be half the diameter of the follower. So half of 0.25 is 0.125. Now I'm going to click on this bottom edge. So that kind of rounds off the follower so that as it's sliding on the cam, it doesn't get hung up on the corners. All right, now I'm going to click back over here on the Onshape. Click on the box. All right, I've still got my box here with the one cam that I've put in. I'm going to insert. Click on Other Documents. Recently open, and the follower will be the most recent one because that is the one that I just did. So I click on Follower. I want to create a version, and I can name this something different if I wanted to, but that's V1 for version 1. I'll just leave that the way it is. I left click on the part, release, drag it over. And if you're putting in 2, then go ahead and drag 2 of them on. And for this demonstration video, I'm just putting in 1, but you'll need to put 1 on each of your cams that you've done. All right, now I'm going to come up here. These are the types of mates that I have. I want this one, my first part, is going to be a slider mate, because I want to be able to slide up and down in that slot. I'm going to click on the center of this follower, kind of rotate this around, click on the center of that box, and check that. Okay, now if I left click and hold this down, I can slide it up and down, and you can see that's a slider. Now, it just goes through the cam, so obviously when I rotate my cam, it doesn't move. So now I need to do a tangent mate with the bottom of my follower and the edge of my cam. So right there's the tangent mate. It's kind of got the curve with a little ball rolling on it. So I click tangent. I'll zoom in here a little bit so we can see that. And I want to make sure that I get this bottom tip of the follower and just anywhere on this edge. And click OK. So now, if I turn my handle, the follower moves right along the handle edge, or right along the edge of the cam as I crank the handle. And that's all there is to inserting the follower.